idea, because the blinky spot you can see in the phone is just a plane, which has been here for like a minute and you haven't heard that, but now you can hear the sound in the sky. I wish it was daylight out so the video would be clearer, but sounds like it's right there.
That's like ringing my ears.
Yeah, it's so deep. And here it just came out of nowhere too. Like,
Yeah. Like, just boom, it's there.
just instantly it revved up. And there it goes. There it goes, there it goes.
Oh, check this shit out. Listen to that. That is fucking crazy.
What is that from?
I don't know. Sounds like a giant flame or something.
Looking out my window right now, hearing some strange fucking sounds out there. I have no idea what the hell they are. It's rattling the earth around here. We're in Long Island, January 18th. And it's fucking loud. You hear that? You hear that shit? Fuck is that shit?
What?
I have no idea. Like, it's coming straight out of the sky. What is that? This for all you YouTube people. You hear that?
Feel that? Did you feel that? I can feel it. Yeah. It's like earlier. I don't know.
But it sounds like it's like, I don't know.
I can actually feel it vibrating.
Really?
It's like this hum. Yeah.
You guys hear that too? What's going on?
It's even got my rabbit standing up. Check them out. That's scary shit. Holy. Sounds like, oh no, in the sky, hard to see, really hard to see. They're fucking just all clouds too.
This is a picture, right? Oye, y está raro, man. ¿Qué es esa pizza? ¿Qué es esa pizza?
La verdad.
Esa pizza, man.